Welcome to class, and let us look at this interesting geometry question. Okay, now this is a four-sided shape. Okay, and inscribing it is two circles, a bigger one and a smaller one. The bigger one is having a radius of 8 meters, and the smaller one is having a radius of 5 meters. And the height of the four-sided shape is 18 meters, while the base is x, and we are required to find the value of x. And it says here that the difficulty level is 97.5%. Okay, so how then do we resolve this? Now, first of all, let's just look at this, that this circle here is having a tangent, okay, at this point and at this point with a four-sided shape. Okay, and the bigger radius is having a tangent at this point and at this point with the four-sided shape. Okay, so before we need to conclude if this four-sided shape is a regular one or an irregular one, let us ascertain that this side, okay, is equal to this side. And how do we do that? Now let us take a look at this. Let's see, from here to this point is 8 meters, right? Okay, which means this point to this point also should be 8 meters. Okay, so let us draw that. This 8, and this point also should be 8 meters. So, and if we trace this, okay, so it means that this point here is 8 meters, which also implies that here is 8 meters. Okay, and if that's the case, now let us look at this smaller radius. From here to here is also what? 5 meters. So let us draw that. So here is 5 meters here. Okay, now let us just draw a straight line, okay, at this point. Okay, all right, so which implies that from here, from this point to this point is also 5 meters, right? So let us write that from here to here is 5 meters. Okay, and we know that from here also down to here is 8 because it aligns with what? With the radius. So we say here this point to this point is 8. So we need to ascertain from this point to this point. And if from here to here, okay, is the same as from here to here, so we can definitely conclude that from here to here is, which implies here that from here to here will also give us 5 meters. And if we should draw a straight line from here, okay, so that should give us okay, so let us confirm. Now this is 5 and this is 8. So for us to find the value here, let's say this is x, okay, which gives us that 5 plus x plus 8 equals 18, should give us 18. So here we have, when we add 5 plus 3, that will give us 13. So you have 13 plus x equals 18. And when we subtract 13 from both sides, we have that x equals what? 5 meters. Okay, so which implies that from here down to this point is 5 meters, which makes here 5 meters, and which make here 5 meters. And recall also from our calculation or from our deduction, here to here will definitely be the same as from here to here, which makes it 8 meters. So when we sum this up, then we have 18 meters. Okay, which implies that this side and this side are the same. Okay, I haven't done that. Let's take note of something. If I draw my radius down here, okay, and I draw from this point down, Then I extend this radius from here down here, and I extend down. Now you will notice that this point here that overlap, to resolve this overlapping, okay, for us to get the actual value of x. So how then do we do that? Let us continue. So let's stretch this from here down here, okay, and from this point down here, okay. Now since they have a tangent at this point, it means that the length from here to this point and the length from here to this point is the sum of the total length from this point of the center to this point of the smaller to the center of the smaller circle. So we tend to draw that. So here we have, from here we draw. So if here is 5 and here is 8, so it means that from here to this point is 13. So we write that here is what? 13 meter. Take note, here is what? 5 meter. Okay, so to this point now, let us now find, and take note also that from here, from this point down to this point is 5 centimeters. So let us just write here 5 meter, not centimeter, sorry, 5 meter. Okay, so if we are able to find the value from here to here, okay, and we know here to be 8 and we know here to be 5, definitely we should sum all here to get the value of x. So let's move further. So with this, you can see that this point here, okay, is tangent, okay, to this straight line, which makes this point here a right angle, making this triangle, okay, a right angle triangle. And we'll probably be using the Pythagoras theorem to resolve the value of x here. No, let us make this one a, since from here to here is x. So at this point, we'll make use of the Pythagoras theorem, okay, which says the hypotenuse squared equals to the sum of the opposite square and the adjacent square. So the hypotenuse here is 13 squared, the opposite here is 5, and the adjacent is a. So what 13 squared is 169, equals 5 squared is 25, then plus a squared. Now when we subtract 25 from both sides, we have 144, then equals a squared. So our a will then be plus or minus the square root of 144. Okay, then our a will give us what? 12. Okay, we'll be taking the positive side of this sign because no length is a what? Negative. So if here, if this point from here to here is 12, so let's say this is 12. So now here is 8 and here is 5. So we can now conclude that x equals 8 plus 12 plus what? 5, all in meter. Then here you have, this is 20 plus 5, all in meter. Then x equals 25 meter as the value of x. All right, thank you. If you love this video, make sure you share with others. Bye bye.